Hello, my name's Louise Stock and I'm from Stock's Appliances. Welcome to the Brisbane Home Show. Love to show you around our stand today. Follow me. Okay, so first of all we have our beautiful Smeg retro refrigerators available in all sorts of different colours and sizes. We've got baby blue, we've got orange, we have black, we have cream. We also have dishwashers to match and matching Victoria ovens as well. So retro, once again, available in all the different colours. Dishwashers. And then we have the more traditional ovens, which is your normal pyrolytic self-cleaning oven here. Plus, we also have the Combi Steam, new technology on the market for the extra special dish. Follow me. Next up, we have the stunning Falcon Appliances, made in a place called Lamington Spa in the UK. Don't know whether you remember the name Aga, but from the Aga factory. Aga have been making these appliances for over 200 years now. This product is absolute class, 70% handmade. They've been making them over, once, like I said, for 200 years. Typical weight of this particular model would be about 130 kilos. So nothing tinny about this whatsoever. Beautiful product. Lots and lots of things you can do here. Lots of different colours, different models and different styles. You can have a very traditional old-fashioned, or you can go the more modern, like this one over here. Different size oven cavities. So if you're doing something like a great big fish, then you could cook that in here all the way across. Or this particular model also has another cavity that slides into the middle, giving you two separate ovens. Little bit of something to do with one of my favourite things, which is wine. We have some beautiful Liebherr wine refrigeration here. Liebherr is the best wine cabinets on the market because of the degree temperature that doesn't fluctuate like the cheaper models. But Liebherr also makes something that I have in my home, which I absolutely love, is the integrated refrigeration. Refrigeration built into your cabinetry. The benefit of this is that you get the beautiful clean line in your kitchen without the refrigerator spoiling the lovely flow. So this particular one, freezer at the bottom, refrigeration at the top. And they also come in wine storage as well. So all different types of configurations, depending on how many in your family, etc. Now I'd love to show you one of my favourite bathtubs on the market. Absolutely beautiful, classy brand called Victoria and Albert. Victoria and Albert baths are unique. They're made out of a product called volcanic limestone. The volcanic limestone is wonderful. You can hop in this bath and a nice and warm temperature and it stays that way. It's not like the old cast iron baths that after a little while it gets cold and you have to top up the water. The water remains a beautiful set temperature. And of course we have the more modern styles, plus the more traditional styles with a clawfoot bath. Or this particular one that I actually chose for my own home, which is the Pescadero, and it is absolutely stunning. Once you're in there, you don't want to get out. And we've added this little touch, which is for your champagne, so that you can actually really enjoy your bubble bath with a nice glass of champagne after a hard day at the home show. Okay, I'd love to show you this product. It is beautiful and it is unique. The name is Wiesug and it is made in the town of Wiesug in Switzerland. This is by far and away the very best combination steam on the market. I have this in my house and I tell you, I can cook like an absolute chef. I love, love, love it. I'd also like to show you this because this is unique and this is my favorite thing. This is my washing machine. It is a Wiesug washer, but it's very, very different to normal washing machines because we have something called the wet clean function. Basically, this is dry cleaning that you can do in your own home. You can put a wedding dress into here, you can put your husband's or your partner's suits, you can put all your work clothing. I put my children's blazers in, ties, you name it, you can do it. You can clean out your whole wardrobe and save an absolute fortune not having to go to the dry cleaners. And of course we have the dryer to match. This is Villeroy and Boch, and they have a beautiful range of taps in all different types of colours. Not know if you watch any cooking shows or renovating shows, but the modern trend at the moment is the stainless steel, the black, the copper, the charcoal. So there's lots of different variations that you can have in your home. Same with the showers over here. As you can see, we have the beautiful rain showers, all available in different colours, different sizes, different shapes. Whether you want the classic round or you want to go for the square, that's totally up to you, but you can really individualise your own home. And once again, the company who own the Villaroy & Bock brand is Argent, and they have lots of different brands underneath their banner. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of the stand. If you have some time, please come down and see us at the Brisbane Home Show. We'd love to see you here.